Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Milinda and this is my advanced robotics technology presentation. My topic is ingestible origami robot. So these are the area what I'm going to cover in this presentation. First we look at the what is the origami robot, what are the main component of the origami robot, then how is origami robot work and what is ingestible origami robot and how it's perform its action, conclusion and future development, finally the reference. So first we look at what is the origami robot. Origami is the ancient art of paper folding used by the Japanese people. So this art is used to make the robot with the special sheet called stress skeleton. This robot has the many advantages like lightweight and flat surface and the perform many action because of it has the high degree of freedom. So this robot mainly consists of the three parts. First one is the permanent magnet, which is work as the main controller, and the second one is the exoskeleton, which is work as the body and the actuator of the robot, and the third one is the magnetic field signal, which is work as the main controlling signal for this robot. So then we look at how this robot work. First we look at fold in action. So this fold in action is done by the extraskeleton layer. So extraskeleton layer is made with a few layers, few things. So first one is the PVC layer. This PVC layer is highly sensible for the heat, and then it has the some adhesive layers and finally the supporting layer. So according to the fold in action we have to put the split and the cap between these stress skeleton and apply some kind of heat, then it's perform the fold in action as we want. Then we look at the what kind of a moving action it can be performed. It can walk, it can swim, and it can roll. Then we look at how it's control this section. So main thing is we permanent magnet. Permanent magnet is work as the main controller here, and so we can control the permanent magnet by the signal given by the magnetic field outside. So this permanent magnet is attached to the stress skeleton, which is folded in the previously. Because of this folding, it can easily pivot around this body. So because of this pivoting, it can perform the moving action. In this figure, you can see the performance of the walking action using this one. So then we look at the what is the ingestible origami robot. This main purpose of this project is to remove the shallow object in our stomach like coin and small tiny button batteries, because many cases are reported all around the world in everywhere here, especially the kids who swallow these kind of things. So in order to perform this kind of robot, we have to think about these things mainly. It should be shallowable, it should become biocompatible and biodegradable. To achieve the shallowable, that is why we use the origami robot. So this origami robot easily can embedded in the ice capsule and can easily shallow. To In order to achieve the biocompatibility and biodegradability, we use the special layer for the our extraskeleton called pigeon insine, which is commonly used for the outer layer of the sausage. So because of that, it is not going to be allergy inside our body. Then we look at how it's perform its action. The first action is relocate the object. So here we can use the uh, ice capsule to contact with the foreign object and rolling action and remove this object from our body, relocate the object from our body. Here in this figure, you can see how it's rolling action done and controlled by the forces and the outside uh, magnetic field. And the second one is we can remove heal the wounds which is created by these soluble things. So in order to perform this action, we use the walking action of the origami robot, and also this exoskeleton has this special layer to containing the drugs, which is help to cure these wounds quickly. In this project, it's easily relocate the foreign object and easily uh, heal the wound inside the stomach without any clinical task. So in the future, they are trying to uh, remove these objects inside the body because currently it can only relocate the object, and also they are trying to reduce the number of day of biodegradability. And these are my references, and thank you for listening, and I'm looking forward to your question and clarification. Thank you.